What do we suggest for clawing toes in work boots and how to limit the irritation caused by these? Hey guys, it's Kent here and I'm the podiatrist from Ergonx. And today we've been asked the question by Darren, what can we do in a work boot and an insole to help to limit the effects of the clawing toes? So the very first thing we recommend is we go with a work boot like this one here, which has got a really deep toe box. So obviously if you think of clawing the toes as when we're scrunching our toes up like this. Now it can be caused by a number of things. It can be caused by, well, genetics. If your parents had clawing toes, often you're more likely to get clawing toes. It can be caused by overusing of your long toe flexors. So if you're weak in the calf muscles or tight in the calf muscles, this can cause you to overuse your long flexors because they come from up behind the calf muscle as well. So if you're a little bit weak in the calf, you'll recruit all those muscles that come down across the ankle to get you to toe off properly. So we suggest stretching your calf muscles and stretching out your toes and the long flexors against maybe a wall or something like that. But we've got if you Google Ergonx warm up for work, we show you how to stretch and warm up your calf muscles, and we suggest to do this every day. The other thing we try and do is limit and obviously control and make your foot a little bit more supported. Limit how much your feet roll in so much, because another thing your body will do is if your feet are rolling in, they'll actually use the long flexors to try and claw and grip the ground and make that foot more stable, so they'll tighten up again, so they need to be stretched off and sometimes even strengthened. So we use the arch support orthotic insole like inside. This is the Helium tan work boot. So it's got a nice deep toe box. It's also got a toe box that's more anatomically shaped like a foot, so it's a bit more square on the end, and it's nice and wide through that toe box, so it won't rub on your bunion joint. Now this one comes in a 2E and a 4E fitting. So 2E is a wide fit, 4E is an extra wide fit. So don't get the 4E unless you've actually got an extra wide foot, otherwise it'll be a bit too sloppy around the front of your foot. So there are our suggestions. Get a boot with a wide and deep toe box, an arch support insole, stretch and strengthen your calf muscles, and stretch your long toe flexors by putting them up against the wall while you're doing your stretching. And also, if this isn't working, we often suggest maybe get a podiatrist to look at your feet. You might need a higher arch support orthotic insole, and a physiotherapist can help you loosen off your calves and stretch out those muscles. So we love the questions, guys. Keep them coming in. If you've got any specific questions about work boots, insoles, or the foot in general, send them in, or you can contact us at ergonx.com.au and we'll do the best to answer all of your questions.